Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on temporary membership on your server link settings, on your account, on Discord, easy and quick. First click right here, and now here you will find invite, click on it. Here you will find this setting icon, click on it, and here as you see you will find temporary membership. Just click like this and click save, and it will be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.